Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Professional Civil Engineers. I am Engineer Shamsur Rahman, and today I will discuss the design of continuous beam in Prokon. Okay. This is the second tutorial of our Prokon series. Before that, I discussed the design of simply supported beam. So in that tutorial, I discussed that how you will give these parameters. Okay. So also how you will provide this section, how you will give span length, supports, loads. So in this video you can I will give the description in the link below, so you can go through this video before, and then you can see this video as well. Okay, so now we will start from the start the design of continuous beam. Okay, so let's suppose, okay, this is our project, double story villa. So this is the these are, you can see, this is B2, and this is continuous beam. Now we will design this. Okay. Okay, so parameter, as I told you, I already discussed in the design of simply supported beam, so I will not discuss it here. Just I will discuss one thing. In that video I put the values of dead load factor 1.4 and live load 1.6 is according to the BS codes, but according to simply calculation, okay, I will take only one value, that is dead load or live load, because I calculated loads from slabs. Okay, I calculated loads from slabs, and the whole load I will just put, and with no load factors. Okay, so here I will just put one and section. This we suppose that it is 200 mm and 600 mm spans. Okay, span length, now you can see this is span number 1, 2, 3 is here in AutoCAD file. Okay, so span length, you can see here 6.1, this is 400 plus 1, this is 5 meter, and this one also 5 meter. So you can see here we put the length. Now supports, loads. Okay, these are loads, these 6.3 we have calculated, and these loads, this is for parapet wall, you can see. Okay, because this is end beam, and at this beam parapet wall will come, and these loads are from slab. Okay, 42.75, 42.75. This is for span 1, span 2, span 3. Okay, now we will go to waves. This is the deformation. Okay, long term deflection, and this is elastic deflection. Okay, now these are moments. Okay, maximum moment is minus 179.85, and it is here. Okay, also you can scroll anywhere you want the bending moment. Okay, at this point it is, you can see it is 160. Okay, also this is the shear reinforcement. Okay, and okay, now we will go to steel. Okay, steel required for this shear reinforcement is this one, and for the bending moment is this one, minus 806.1 meter here. Okay, now we will go to reinforcing. We will just generate a reinforcement, minimum bar length 12, Okay, this I will take it 16 16 and 16 16. Okay, this description also you can check. There is nothing difficult in this. Now you will put click generate reinforcing. Okay, okay, now we got these steels, but we don't want these extra bars. We just want to go through one bar, because these extra bars and cut off bars, it will take more time, and contractor doesn't like this. It is more economical to put one steel. Okay, so I will delete this and will give these steels more value. Okay, I will give this 316. Okay, 316. Also in this one I will delete, and instead of this I will put 316 and will make these steel go through. Okay, so this was all about the design of you can see what was required. And I will show you. Reinforcement required was 846. Okay, and here steel required was 806, and we provide, you can see here, 846. So this was all about the design of continuous beam. In the next video we will discuss the design of hidden beam. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.